Everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I've got a quick unboxing from letsresin. I'm an affiliate for letsresin, and they kindly sent me some more wonderful goodies. This is, hold on, I need my other eyes. Okay. This is the user's manual, but it's the, it doesn't say anywhere on the package. Electric hand set for resin. It's an electric drill, but it's a little miniature USB driven high-speed electric drill. Don't lose the Allen wrench. Sorry, I'm all fingers today. Here it is. Like I said, USB driven, on and off with the little switch here. Super. I really got tired of, I do have a Dremel. I do have more than a Dremel. My husband has a Dremel. But I got tired of switching back and forth between the drill bit, the buffer head, the sanding head. This, if the cord was undone, I would plug it in. I'll do it anyway, just so you can hear it. Oh, I'm not sure you can even hear it. Anyway, super high speed. Got an Allen wrench chuck for the drill bits. It's got this set of, looks like 10 drill bits from a 0.8 to a 3.0. Good, eye pin. Eye screw drill size is the 1 or 1.2. Hold on, let's see. 1, 2, yeah, 1.2. That one right there. Did not mean to go on and on and on about that quite so much, but I was really looking forward to this, because like I said, real pain in the to have to switch every time. If you want to sand a bit off the resin that you just drew, you got to switch the heads. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, there's that. Set aside. Thank you. And then the 36 mica powder selection. First of all, y'all know my issue with brown, right? There's an actual brown in here somewhere. I already looked at it. But anyway, there's like bronze. Oh, so pretty. crimson. How dare you bust dusky rose, pink, blue violet. Oh, that is definitely exactly what I'd call that color. Here we go. It's coffee. Ooh, dark magenta. Oh, that's pretty. Wine? Not necessarily what I would have called it, but it's a very pretty color. White, imagine that. Cyan. Yellow. Medium purple. I'm sorry, I wasn't trying to go through all of these. This is just an unboxing, Lyn. I will come back and do a demo for y'all. Seriously. I should come back and do, what the heck? We've already gone through that many. Let's just go through the rest of them. This one is a watermelon. A little more orangish. But they do have orange watermelon. Chestnut. That is pretty. Blue. Gray. It always cracks me up. You'll get sets like this. Now, real exotic color names. And then all of a sudden you get blue. Tangerine on that just made my mouth water. Black. Copper. Light yellow. Dark green. Ooh, gold pink. Sorry, I don't know why I said it like that. I'm not a pink person, but put it together with a gold flash like that for some reason. Okay, let's see. I think I did all those, yes. Crimson, okay, there we go. Gold.